Hello dear Aries, welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. Namaste. Before we begin our monthly reading, I request you all to please do like and subscribe to my channel. Do share my videos too. Thank you so much for doing this. Aries, now let's begin our monthly reading for the month of October 2020, and here I have your cards ready with me. Here goes the three cards. So the first card is such a wonderful card, such an auspicious card. I would say it's the sun. You see, this is the sun, and as we see the sun, as the bright and the beginning of the day, and you see, it's like a lively thing when we think about sun. So this is how it is going to be this month, dear Aries, for you. You are going to get some good news. You are going to make some new beginnings which are going to give you good results in the future also. So this is the time. This is I would like to say that this is an auspicious time for you, Aries. Make the most of it. If you are not planning for any new beginning, new business, new ventures, getting into a job, a change of job. So if something has been holding on, if something has been delayed from past few months, then this month it's going to it's going to move forward now. So you are definitely going to see some sort of beginning happening in your life, and a good thing happening in your life. A lot of so cheerfulness, something that is going to give you a cheerfulness, some kind of news as well. It can be relating to relationship. If you have been trying to get into a relationship, then yes, this is the month. So just think about it. I mean, it's like you demand something, or you think of something, and this is the month, this is the card, this is the energy which is going to serve you. But more likely, I am feeling that this energy is related to financial things. I mean, on your financial side, that means on your career or professional side, on your business side. So I am sensing that there may be a new beginning. There may be some sort of monetary benefit, a kind of appraisal might can also happen, and this is more likely with the help of a lady, with the help of a female energy. Yeah, here in this month, either you will be guided. See, if you are starting a month, then it is starting a business, then it is more likely that you are going to get some kind of business steps or some kind of support from a female energy. Or maybe even it same thing implies at the job also. If you are working, if you are studying, or if you are working something, then there is a support from a female energy who is going to guide you on how to improve your finances, how to improve your financial position, how to improve your income. So this kind of benefit, I mean, this kind of monetary benefit is likely to happen, is expected in this month of October for you, Aries, and that is again from the female energy. So yeah, and at the same time, what I am seeing here is something which is not serving you good, which is not serving you good, a business or a job. Maybe you have been struck up and you just holding upon, you just kind of not very interested in the present job, and then all of a sudden and unexpectedly, you things may move out of your control, or things may start falling down. Like you see, something, you are not doing, you are not really happy with the business, with the job you are doing. So there is a possibility that you may lose this job unexpectedly, not in a planned way, but you may be forced to leave, or something may happen that no that will bring a kind of drastic change here, and this change is going to benefit you. Maybe at the time of this happening, maybe when this change is happening, or maybe when you receive this news, probably you might feel probably, it might be quite difficult for you to take it. But I would suggest, Aries, don't give up on, don't disappoint yourself, because this change is definitely going to bring some kind of positive news, some kind of, in fact, a better thing in your life. Usually when we lose something, we tend to think, oh, I lost this, I lost my job, or I lost something. It can be any particular thing also. But maybe if we start thinking that I lost this job, maybe I have something better one in my future. Probably, I was not prepared to give up this, and all of a sudden this is gone. Because there is something good happening, there is something good I'm going to benefit with. So definitely this is what this is how the cycle goes on. Unless and until we lose something, we cannot gain something better, isn't it? So this is what is going to, so there is a kind of jerk, unexpected thing going to happen, which is, which will actually change your foundation, which actually, because maybe this is not strong, your foundation is not strong. So this kind of change will definitely make you to strengthen your foundation, and then again stand back and act on it. Okay, so this I think, yeah, these kind of changes, if they are happening, then definitely we it's lot more a learning for us, isn't it? So take it that way, Reese. And I have your energy card also with me. Then this card says, oh, see, again, the same card, woman holding a coin. Right, and we just discussed about the female energy, female energy, which is going to support you this month. Again, we have the energy card, and definitely I'm seeing, it's quite definite that you are going to benefit from a feminine energy. So just be little careful. I mean, just be little conscious about it. Ki someone is there. Maybe try to, you will definitely get to know about this person. She may be directly or indirectly related to you, either at office or at home in some way. So she is going to benefit you some with some sort of guidance from her, or directly involvement of hers. You see, that is going to benefit you this month. And then I have your angelic guidance card also. uh, let's see what angels have to say about you. So this is the card. Sorry for the glare now. So this is the card, this is creative project. So again, see, this is talking about some kind of activity, some kind of action, and your soul longs to express itself in creative ways. We are guiding you to infuse artistry and creativity into your life. Creative expression makes you feel alive and excited, and reignites passion towards your life. So, yeah, this is again talking about some kind of action, some kind of creative action which you have been longing to do, but you were not able to do it, maybe for some reason. Maybe you are bounded, maybe you are so much involved with your routine activity. So, here is where, as the time, which is going to give you that energy, which is going to give you that opportunity. So, let's make most of this time, right, Aries? So, yeah, I hope I'm clear with this. And then, before I wind up my reading, I would like you to do subscribe. Again, request you to please do share, and do share about my readings, your honest review under this comment section about these readings. Uh, okay, thank you so much, Aries, for joining me here. I see you again in the next month. In the next month, yeah. Till then, bye bye. Take care.